People, welcome back to City Hunters. New day, new vlog. Today I'm going to give you guys an apartment tour of our apartment, of course. It's in Baku, Azerbaijan. The area is called Nasimi. So let's go and enjoy this apartment tour. Take care, ciao, peace. Okay, so this is the lift. We're at floor 18. This apartment is called the Sea View apartment, and this is our apartment door number. You've got some neighbors as well. I haven't seen them as of yet. So these are the neighbors, and our number is 66. So let me open the door, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm just opened the door, so I'm opening the door, and you hear a lot of noise. And this is the apartment. It's a really big apartment. I think it's the biggest so far that we've had during our holidays. So let me close the door first, and then I'll begin here. So this is a big massive closet where you can put all the stuffs in. And this is then the big hall. Look at the roof as well. I mean, they've decorated it really nice. So where shall I begin? I think let's begin. First, I'm turning on the lights. I'll begin in the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. You've got basically everything what you need for a kitchen. You've got a bar. You've got a sitting area where you can do your breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. This is a fridge, and above you'll see some closets as well. A sink, of course. And where you can cook. It's got an oven as well. You also got here a fridge, but this one we're not using. We're using the other fridge. And you got a washing machine on this side. So if I move towards this side, then you've got a microwave, and again some closets. It's got an AC as well. And then I'll go outside, and then you've got, I think it's open. This is the balcony with a view. I hope you guys can see the view. So look, we're really high up at the 18th floor. Yeah, the sun is shining, so I hope you guys will see it properly. So look, this is Baku, people. I mean, we're right in the city center, as I told you guys. The area is called Nasimi, and now we're moving towards some other rooms. Let me close the door first. Yes, okay, the door is closed. Then I'm moving towards, well, over there you can see another closet. There's our luggage. To this room. This is one sleeping room, and yeah, it's quite big, as you guys can see it. I can turn on the lights, but it's already light. So a closet with a mirror, and another one. And this is then a double-sized bed. Yeah, so this is one apartment, and of course even over here you guys will see the view of Baku. Okay, so let's continue our tour. And now we're entering, just look at this, man. Yeah, so now let's continue to the living room. So this is the big, massive living room, you guys can see, hopefully. It's got a TV, of course, with, yeah, it's a smart TV, so you can use YouTube or whatsoever. Look at the ceiling. I mean, they've made it really nice and beautiful. And this is a sofa set, of course. Another closet. They've got so many closets here. That's another sofa, closet, and a TV. Over here you've got a dining table, again with the view, but you guys already seen the view. So now I'm going towards the big balcony, and this is one of the highlights because I think you guys already can see it. Over here you can sit, chill, hang out, do whatever you want to do with the beautiful view of Baku. So over there you've got downtown Baku. I think I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but the buildings all the way back, that's the downtown financial district. All the way at the back you will also see the Caspian Sea with the boulevard in it. And yeah, if I move my camera downstairs, then you guys will see the traffic. And I'm not sure if you guys can see the people, but at least you can see, you guys got the view of Baku. So okay, even on this side, there you'll see a statue, and so people give a show and concert area. And that building is a bank. So yeah, as you can see, Baku is really pretty with a lot of tall buildings, of course. And yeah, this apartment is called Sea View apartment. So once again, we're really lucky. All right, so this is then the main view of Baku. And now let's continue inside our apartment. Well, yeah, over there of course you can see some sofas where you can hang out. We did that. So now let's continue our journey, our tour towards another room. So I think where should we start? Let's start with the bathroom. Again, one of the highlights of this apartment. Let me turn on the lights, and you guys will straight away see a big, massive 2 or 3 persons jacuzzi. So of course we made use of this beautiful jacuzzi. Look at this, man. I mean, I will, at the end, I will definitely tell you the price, and you guys will be shocked what the price of this apartment is. So yeah, this is the, yeah, of course you've got the sink, mirror, our stuff there, toilet as well. So this is bathroom number 1. And now let's continue. Bye bye bathroom, to another room, sleeping room. So this is sleeping room number 2, also with a double-sized bed. People might call it king size, but at least 2 person can sleep on it. Closet, another closet or drawer or whatever you guys want to call it. And over here of course, with a beautiful view of Baku, Azerbaijan. Okay, attached to this sleeping room, you've got another bathroom. So let's enter this bathroom then. And over here, you'll see a shower cabin with some you've got a steam cabin as well. And what do you say, how do you call that? I think you guys kind of jacuzzi as well. So yeah, this is a steam cabin, I guess, and where you guys also can have a shower. So this is also perfect. And besides that, of course, you've got a mirror, a sink, and a basic toilet, of course. So yeah, this apartment is about around, I think, 173 meters big. So as you guys can see, this has to be the biggest apartment or hotel room, whatever you guys want to call it, which we have booked during our holidays. I just want to tell you something. We've booked this apartment for 6 nights, and usually if you would have booked this big spacious apartment in Europe, maybe south of Europe, Spain, Portugal, Germany, Belgium, France, Amsterdam, Holland, wherever you guys want to book this would have cost a lot of money. But this, for 6 nights, I paid 260 euros. Yes, you heard it right, 260 euros. So as you guys have seen it's a really big, massive apartment with a beautiful view, of course. So if you do come to Baku, make sure you look at the Sea View Apartment Hotel. If you need any information about that, you can write down in the comment section, or otherwise you can send me a message via Instagram. So hopefully you like this little tour. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Peace out. Ciao.